Hi, Chappy.
How you doing? What did he say before?
I think he's like,
Let's get to it.
let's get to it.
He just said that once, and then he has like the, hi, hello.
Teach him some swear words like
Yeah. Standbläser.
bullshit, 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 bullshit.
Oh.
Get caught.
You know who that is? You know her. Huh?
Hello.
Hi, yeah. What would you like to...
He was heaps more interactive with the other bloke, hey?
I think there was a lot about like talking to him directly.
Yeah.
What's going on with you? What is happening in your day today? Are you feeling good or bad? Not so good?
Was it a happy chappy day or not so happy chappy day?
You just wanted to get out? Say, I want to get out if you want to get out.
Hello? Hello?
Did I love it? What did he say?
He said, hello? Do I
Hello?
love it?
Do I love it? Is it McDonald's? Do I love it? I'm loving it.
How are you, Chappy? Hello, Chappy.
Hi, hi.
Hello, Chappy.
What are you
Hello,
doing?
Chappy. Hello, Chappy. Hello, Chappy. How are you, mate? How you going? How you going? Hello? Hello?
Chappy, chappy.
Hello?
Oh.
Hello. Well, that's a bit of a screamer.
Do you want to hang out?
No, I think he wants to get out. So let me out.
Is that what you're saying?
Hello.
Hello.
Is that what you're saying? You guys seem to get more out of him than me. Hello.
What are you saying? I think so. I think you want to get out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want freedom, don't you?
I mean, he is really just holding on, I guess, but he's definitely walking back and forth. Kind of like,
Hello.
I guess, the bird version of
Stuck in
pacing.
jail.
Yeah.